Hello, welcome to the class again. Today we are going to start the unit number 8 and we are going to study first the vocabulary of the unit. The vocabulary of the unit is professions. So we are going to study the most common professions that we know. The first one is teacher. We have a doctor and we can use doctor for men and for women. We have a nurse. We have a pilot. The lawyer, abogado, reporter, and we have a police officer. Here we have an engineer. We have an architect, judge, un juez, chef, and baker. What is the difference between the chef and the baker? The baker makes cakes, cupcakes, and bread. Este es un panadero que hace pasteles, pan, en cambio el chef hace todos los platillos. We have an accountant, and here we have a practice. We have here some concepts about some professions, and here we have 6 professions. So you have to read the concept and you are going to match the correct profession with the correct meaning. For example, they make bread and cakes and normally work in a bakery. You have here and you are going to choose the correct one for this one. Then you have a person that works with the money and accounts of company. Las personas que trabajan con dinero y las cuentas de una compañía. A person that defends people in court and gives legal advice. And you are going to choose here best option. We have here more. We have a qualified person that decides cases in a law court. Una persona cualificada que decide los casos en una corte. A person who flies a plane. Una persona que vuela un avión. A person that passes knowledge to a student, usually at school. And you have here the options, and then you are going to match the correct profession with the correct meaning. And you are going to add this as a homework, and you are going to upload in the muro. Esta va a ser otra tarea de su portafolio que tienen que poner. No tienen que hacer nada así fuera del otro mundo, solo tienen que unir la profesión correcta con el concepto correcto. Now we are going to start the grammar about the unit that is present progressive or present continuous, that is the same. We use the present progressive is used for actions going in a moment of speaking and for actions taking place only for a short period of time. So that means that we are going to use the present continuous when we talk about actions that are happening at the very moment. Not in the past, not in the future, just at the very moment. For example, you are listening to me right now. And we have the structure here that is subject plus the verb be plus another verb with ing plus the complement. This is the structure for the affirmative, and here we have for the negative. We are going to add the not to the verb be. But don't worry, we are going to see step by step. La vamos a ver poco a poco para que no tengan ninguna duda y no se confundan. We have here the structure of the affirmative. We have here the subject. You already know what are the subjects. For example, I, you, he, she, and it. Or you can write a name. For example, Rocío, Diego, Juan, Jesus. And here we have the verb be. And the verb be is am, are, and is. And then you are going to add a verb with ing and a complement. For example, I am watching TV. She is playing soccer. Be careful. Tengan cuidado, porque si ustedes me ponen I am watch TV, va a estar mala. Tienen que ponerle el ing. O si ustedes me ponen I watching TV, también va a estar mala, porque tienen que ponerle el verbo be. Entonces lo correcto sería I am watching TV. So, what are they doing? We have more examples. He is using the computer and the phone. He is cooking. What is she doing? She is playing tennis. They are watching TV. I am reading a book. And here we have the negative structure. With the negative, we are going to write the subject plus the verb be, and we are going to add not. Then we are going to add a verb with ing plus a complement. For example, I am not playing basketball. She is not paying attention. Como pueden ver en la negativa, solo le vamos a poner el not luego del verbo be. Y lo demás va igual. El ing no cambia, tampoco cambia que tienen que poner el verbo be, solo le tienen que poner el not. De más. For example, what are they doing? They are not playing, they are reading. As you can see, negative and affirmative. He is not watching TV. He is sleeping. Now you have to put a picture and you are going to describe what is happening in the picture using sentences in present progressive. Van a poner una imagen de Google, la van a buscar en internet, una imagen donde haya muchas personas que estén haciendo cosas diferentes. La van a poner en un documento de Word y van a escribir oraciones usando el present continuous. Pueden escribir 10 oraciones, como máximo y mínimo serían 10 oraciones. Como mínimo serían 8 oraciones, como máximo serían 10. Tienen que escribirlo usando el present continuous or the present progressive that is the same. Lo van a poner en un documento de Word, van a escribir sus oraciones abajo de la imagen y luego eso lo van a poner en el portafolio que van construyendo. Uno de sus compañeros me preguntaba cuál era el portafolio que iban construyendo y es toda la acumulación de tareas que hemos ido haciendo desde que empezamos esta etapa y que yo les he ido diciendo que la pongan en su portafolio. Entonces esta tarea también la van a incluir ahí. Por ejemplo, here you have the picture. Como pueden ver, aquí hay una foto. Las personas están haciendo cosas diferentes. Hay pájaros, un gato, una persona, un señor, una señora, un muchacho, un niño, niñas, patos. Entonces, luego de que ustedes escojan una imagen, que no necesariamente tiene que ser esta, puede ser una que ustedes busquen en internet, luego van a escribir oraciones. For example, the grandfather is sleeping. The dogs are swimming and the man is watering the flowers. Regando las plantas. Entonces lo mismo que yo hice con mi imagen, ustedes lo van a hacer con su imagen y eso van a ponerlo en su portafolio. If you have any question, you can send me an email and you already know my email, or you can write in Messenger. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, and God bless you. Take care.